According to Defense Blog, the Ukrainian army has seized a rare Russian GAZ-3937 Vodnik ammo vehicle in the Bakhmut region. The vehicle was in almost intact condition, then repaired and refurbished to put into operation. Accordingly, the Vodnik was covered with the new camouflage of the Ukrainian army. Throughout the conflict, the Ukrainian military seized many Russian-made vehicles and subsequently deployed in combat operations. In service since 2005, the Vodnik is a highly maneuverable Russian multi-purpose military vehicle produced by GAZ. The vehicle has a rather odd design, with a narrow cab and large storage capacity, up to 10 people. The standard undercarriage with a cab can be optionally complemented by different modules with various number of passenger seats and cargo compartments. A small number of these multi-purpose vehicles were delivered to the Russian military. It seems that these were mainly used by special forces. It was born to fill the gap between jeeps and light trucks with front and rear replaceable modules. Some sources report that up to 26 modules have been developed. The GAZ Vodnik can be fitted with various weapon systems, including heavy machine guns or even 120mm mortar. Some vehicles are fitted with a complete turret of the BTR-80 armored personnel carrier. The main advantage of this utility vehicle is that its modules can be easily replaced in field conditions. There are some armor variants of this vehicle. These provide protection for the troops against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. Vehicle can use a mix of armored and unarmored modules, depending on the mission requirements. This vehicle is amphibious and uses its wheels to propel itself when afloat. It has a water-displacing hermetic hull, which provides improved floating performance, and a 4x4 top chassis with independent suspension and a centralized system of tire pressure control. It is powered by a 175 horsepower diesel engine, giving a top speed of 112 km per hour and 4 to 5 km when swimming. The Vodnik is known for its off-road capabilities, high mobility, and amphibious nature, making it a versatile and effective combat vehicle. In 2008, this vehicle saw action during the Russian war with Georgia. In 2006, Uruguay ordered 48 Vodniks. Production ceased in 2013 due to the lack of orders. In 2015, the Vodnik saw action during the Russian military intervention in Ukraine. In 2016 to 2017, this vehicle was reportedly used in Syria, and now it continues to fight in the Ukrainian battlefield.